Hey folks, I'm Pete, and this is Pete's Eats Cooking Videos. Today we're making broccoli salad. Broccoli is so healthy, but no one likes it all mushy. So make a salad. It's crisp, it's delicious, and it goes anytime, especially in the summer. So I'll show you exactly how to make it. Let's begin. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need broccoli, onions. I like using red onions, mayo, vinegar, red wine is what I use, salt, herbamare is my favorite, pepper, some kind of seeds or nuts. I use sunflower seeds, and something sweet like craisins. You can use raisins if you want. And I'll show you how to do it. It's so easy, it's delicious. Okay, so first the broccoli. I have two heads of broccoli, and it's cut into these florets. Of course, you can cut them larger or smaller depending on how you like them. Some people think smaller is better, but I sort of have medium size. Next, I'm going to add the onions. I use red onions. I have one large red onion, really big red onion. Next, the mayo. 1 heaping teaspoon of mayo for each head of broccoli. So I'm going to add 2 heaping teaspoons of mayo. Oops. And another one for good measure. Now, I would say about half a teaspoon of red wine vinegar for each head. So this will be about a teaspoon. There you go, maybe a tablespoon, I don't know. Holy, it's all to taste. This is all to taste, of course. I'm going to add about 1 full teaspoon of salt, or this is herbamare, so it's not quite as salty. This is a really lovely mixture. Some pepper to taste, of course. I'm going to add quite a bit because I like pepper. Some sunflower seeds, about 1/4 cup, and some craisins. I'm going to put 1 good sort of handful of craisins into this. Actually, a little bit more. I like it sweet. And the last thing I'm going to do, I didn't include this in the ingredient list, but personally, I like it sweet. So I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Now, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I do. And now all we do is we mix it up and give it a taste to check. Of course, you always taste and check. The other thing about this salad is it just looks so nice. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The green, the red, the craisins, just beautiful. And let it sit for a bit. And you're going to see, I guarantee you, this will become a family favorite. There you go. All mixed up, beautiful, lovely salad. Enjoy.